Hey guys, we received this MyLifeUNIT Shabu Shabu pot for test and try. It's a 4.5 quart stainless steel hot pot with the Weldless divider. So this is a 12 inches dual sided. Let's say like if you want to put a soup or some dishes, so you can hold two dishes in one pot, and then you can put it on a induction cooktop or a gas stove. So let me just take this out and show it to you. So this is the top handle that you have to use the screws and stuff. This is a glass top so that there will be no spill or just to protect stuff stored. And then this handle with go. So I'm just adjusting this handle quickly. So once this is all set, you can see like you can just put in the pot. So very nice two divider pot. There is no welding inside, so it's no welding divider inside. So you can hold two stuff. You can cook two things all together. Nice quality material, and then it can easily spread the heat and can be used. So cleaning is also easy with soap and water, and you can have this stuff, a nice hot pot.